I want to tell you about this problem-solving product that I did not know I needed until I found out how very much I needed it. This is Sleek Socket. There is so many places in my home where this product is exactly what I need. This takes a regular outlet and makes it sleek and slender. This comes in a dual pack with dual cords going from side to side, and it also comes in a single pack. It also comes with cord direction covers that lead the cord away from the socket down in a smooth, clean fashion that makes your home look all put together. Let me show you some scenarios where you will need this. Look at this. This is a bed against a wall where there is a plug, and I need this lamp here for this bedroom, but the traditional plug keeps it from going flush against the wall, or what happens as your bed pushes on that cord and adds some torque to it and ends up damaging the cord, and that presents danger. And now you have a very clean flat socket that's well protected and covered, and it directs electricity through this cord in a longer section. What a great solution that is. Look at some other places where this is also needed. Living rooms often have this situation. Behind a sofa, there's two plugs. This calls for the double plug. This Sleek Socket has a double outlet system. I'm going to use this to replace this dangerous situation here. Now the Sleek Socket has completely removed this dangerous situation and provided me a safe way to plug in this lamp and this phone charger. And now Sleek Socket has taken that situation and removed that cumbersome plug so I can push my sofa against the wall, as well as I can direct it under the sofa and use the second cord for another use. It's a great solution to this problem. Sleek Socket offers all these different options of single and dual plugs, and these different options is a genius answer to the problem of needing a flush plug. I like this product and I'm happy to partner with them. They have provided me this product in exchange for my honest review, and I really like this product. I will use it in my home and I highly recommend it.